Do you want to know how you can log into your Univ Ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Univ Ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome OS browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Univ Ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login page of Univ Ai, where you can see that you can learn a lot of programs and a lot of subscriptions using Univ Ai. So to log into your account, go ahead and click login, which is on the right hand side, which you can see over here. After you click login, you can log in using your GitHub, Google or email address. So if you want to log in using your GitHub, go ahead and click on this link, and then it will lead you to the official login page of GitHub, where you can write down your email address and password, then click sign in. In a while, you can see a verification code in your Gmail. Go ahead and write down the verification code here and click verify, and then you can log into your Univ Ai account using GitHub. If you want to use email, go ahead and click email, write down your email address here, click continue, and they will send a 4-digit passcode to your email to verify, and then write down the passcode. And after that, you will be logged in using your email address. If you want to skip all of those and want to continue with Google, go ahead and click continue. Choose your Google account, click continue to sign in to Univ Ai, and then you can create an account. Now you can see that you have been logged into your Univ Ai account using your Google. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.